Hello, and welcome to Business and Crafting class. In this lesson, we will discuss understanding crafting history and evolution. This lesson ensures students gain a comprehensive understanding of crafting's historical journey, its technological transformation, and how current trends continue to shape the industry. Understanding crafting history and evolution. It has been an essential part of human civilization for thousands of years. Crafting is one of the oldest human activities, deeply rooted in necessity, creativity, and cultural expression. Early humans relied on crafting to create tools, weapons, and clothing from natural resources such as bone, wood, and stone. Pottery, metalworking, and weaving became essential skills. Discoveries such as prehistoric jewelry made from shells and animal bones suggest that even the earliest civilizations valued decorative and artistic expressions. During the Renaissance, crafting was deeply intertwined with the arts, as painters and sculptors often trained in workshops under master artisans, blending creativity with precision. What began as a necessity for survival has evolved into an artistic, cultural, and commercial industry. Crafting is one of the oldest human activities, deeply rooted in necessity. As civilizations advanced, crafting became more sophisticated in science, trade, and technology. The Industrial Revolution, 17th to 19th centuries, transformed the crafting industry by introducing mechanized tools that significantly reduced the need for handcrafting. While industrialization replaced many handcrafted goods, it also laid the foundation for the modern crafting industry. The rise of hobby crafting was fueled by increased leisure time, economic stability, and the development of new crafting materials such as synthetic fabrics, plastics, and commercialized art supplies. The mid-1900s saw a revival of traditional crafts, with home sewing machines, knitting, and embroidery gaining popularity. The crafting boom of the 1970s and 1980s was further driven by an appreciation for handmade, unique items in response to mass-produced goods. Crafting today is a blend of traditional techniques and modern technology, shaped by consumer demand, e-commerce, and social media. By the 20th century, crafting experienced a resurgence as a leisure activity rather than a necessity. The 21st century brought a digital revolution to the crafting industry, significantly altering the way crafts are designed, produced, and sold. The rise of computer-aided design, CAD, laser cutting, sublimation printing, and digital embroidery machines has allowed artisans to create intricate designs with precision. Tools such as CNC routers, Cricut machines, and 3D printers have democratized crafting, making professional-grade production accessible to hobbyists and small business owners alike. The ability to combine traditional handcrafting techniques with digital tools has led to a new era of crafting that blends artistic creativity with cutting-edge technology. Modern crafting trends reflect a shift toward DIY culture, digital crafting, and personalization. The accessibility of social media platforms such as YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok has created a global crafting community where individuals can learn, share, and market their creations. The rise of e-commerce platforms like Etsy has enabled millions of crafters to turn their hobbies into profitable businesses. Customization and small batch production have become the cornerstones of today's crafting industry, as consumers increasingly seek personalized items such as monogrammed gifts, custom apparel, and engraved home decor. As crafting continues to evolve, it remains an industry that bridges history, culture, and innovation. The intersection of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology ensures that crafting will continue to thrive, offering endless opportunities for artistic expression and economic growth in the future.